all you have to do is click remove buffer. What that's going to do is it's going to remove the beginning and end of the video where you have a bunch of blank, empty, stupid space that nobody wants. And then you can click on remove silences. So we're gonna just remove all the silences right here. And then all those ums and uhs and all those filler words I was using to sound stupid, all I have to do is click remove 8 filler words and it removes those as well. Welcome back to Run the Prompts on YouTube. If you want to use the power of AI to help you edit your videos faster than ever, then check this out. This is Tella.tv. We're going to go through a really quick demo for you guys to show the power of Tella and how much time you can save. So let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record myself a really quick mock demo of me doing something, and it's going to be really bad, and I'm going to use a bunch of filler words, and there's going to be a lot of pauses, and it's going to be really awkward. And then after that, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to fix all of that really quick in Tella.tv. So let's get started. So check out this 1-minute clip that I made with a bunch of filler words, and it's really bad. It's just a quick little demo of a really cool tool called ChatGPT. Check it out. Hey everybody, this is Nick here with Run the Prompts, and this is an app called ChatGPT, and it's a really good app. So you can select your model right here. So we can select O3 and you just type your prompt here, and yeah, pretty cool. By the way, guys, if you guys are interested in getting Tella.tv for yourself, you can get a special 30% off right now just by clicking the link in the description below. There's no promo code necessary, and you can try it for free. So click on that link, get started now, and start your own YouTube channel. This is the product that we use to help run the prompts on this channel and create all of our videos. So between this and then some light edits and CapCut, we've streamlined the process of making these videos faster than anybody else. So be sure to check it out. If you go into that raw video disaster that you guys just watched and you go up to trim here in Tella, all you have to do is click remove buffer. What that's going to do is it's going to remove the beginning and end of the video where you have a bunch of blank, empty, stupid space that nobody wants. And then you can click on remove silences. There's a few different options here for natural, fast, or faster. I always leave it on natural. So we're gonna just remove all the silences right here. And then all those ums and uhs and all those filler words I was using to sound stupid, all I have to do is click remove 8 filler words and it removes those as well. So at this point, let's see what we got down to. Hey everybody, this is Nick here with Run the Prompts, and this is an app called ChatGPT, and it's a really good app. So you can, your model right here, so we can select O3 and you just type your prompt here, and yeah, pretty cool. Much better. Now obviously that's going to need a little bit of tweaking, but it got rid of the vast majority of the empty spots, the vast majority of the filler words. You are going to need to manually massage it, but that's a lot better, and that was very quick. So let's go back into this. Everybody, app. This is an app called ChatGPT, and it's a really good app. So you can, your model your model right here. Now, as you can see, some of these you're gonna have to get back. So the select your model right here. So we can select 03 and 3, and you just type your prompt here, and yeah, pretty cool. All right, not too bad. So let's replay it now. That was just a little bit of editing. Hey, everybody, this is Nick here with Run the Prompts, and this is an app called ChatGPT, and it's a really good app. So you can select your model right here. So we can select 03, and you just type your prompt here, and yeah, pretty cool. Pretty good. And that was very, very quick. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And there's all kinds of different options that you guys can add in. All right. So where we went to, you just type the prompt bar. We can add a little zoom effect right here very quickly just by adding a zoom. So we'll put the target right there. You just type your prompt. We can adjust how far in it goes. So let's go right there here. And yeah, pretty cool. And what else do we want to do with this? So we're gonna get rid of the zoom. Let's go to layout. There are multiple layouts you can easily swap through. So at the moment, as you can see, we have the little circle. That's what I typically use, but you can go through all kinds of different layouts. So if you want a big me, it's right there. If you want me on the left, it's right there. Me on the top right, just me, don't want that. So you can easily add different layouts too throughout the timeline. So it's literally just adding a new layout with that one button and then selecting the layout that you want. You can add as many layouts as you want to every video, and it works very, very nicely. We're gonna go back down here just for now. And background, so I picked white, so we're just gonna leave it at that, but there's all kinds of gradients that you can select. I created my own gradients with my brand colors. You can select all kinds of different colors. There are different animated ones that are kind of cool, but not on brand, so I did not select any of these. You can upload your own image or select any one of the different images that Tella comes stock with. And it has all kinds of different images, including the images that come straight out of Mac OS. You can adjust the borders of all the different windows in your video. I typically select this. I would recommend keeping that at whatever you select to remain consistent with your other videos. And then there's subtitles, so you can bake the subtitles right in automatically, which is something a lot of people like to do for things like TikTok and short form videos, things like that. Crop lets you crop your screen to whatever you would like it to be, so you can easily get rid of parts of your desktop that you don't want in your video. And that is it. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for another edition of Run the Prompts on YouTube. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, a like, and a comment below. I personally respond to every comment that you guys put in those sections below, and we all love those sections below, so be sure to give it some love. And by the way, let me know what you think about Tella. Try it out for yourself. No risk, no obligation. And again, if you want to get it, you can get it for 30% off right now just by clicking the link in the description below with no promo code necessary. And until next time, be sure to run the prompts and prompt the planet.